Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to get back into my workout routine, y'all. Y'all already know how we are doing this thing. But the snow in the DMV combined with the cold, look at how thick that ice is, guys. Like, I'm literally about to just walk through the snow. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're facing here in the DMV, January 15th, 2025. Okay, but just because we got black ice, we got clear skies, okay? There's always something to be positive about, and I want you guys to keep that in mind. Let's send our prayers to the people of Cali, LA, Malibu, and surrounding areas. I haven't checked the news yet today, so I'm not sure if the fires are still going, but as of yesterday, they were still going and spreading, okay? So everybody's going through something, and we got to lift our hands up in prayer and also do for the people of LA and Cali however you can, whether it's donating or sharing different posts from different organizations that are out in the field. I've also seen different celebrities like Janae Aiko. She's lost her home. So if you have a favorite celebrity in LA, Malibu, you want to support them, you know that they're going to support their people as well. Let's stream their music, play their movies, watch their videos, buy their merch. You know, we're blessed. And as our family on the West Coast rebuilds, let's really make it a conscious effort to support them. Also, if you are in the DMV, you can support your local small businesses, because as you know, a lot of people lost about 2-3 days worth of work from the snowstorm that just passed and all of the black ice. So it would be great if we go and support those businesses and go out, get out the house. If you are blessed enough to have your legs, have a vehicle, and a little money in your pocket, go out and spread some joy. Okay, guys? Yeah, I just wanted to drop that nugget in before I do my real estate update for 2025. Okay, guys, so we're back. And we are going to be doing a real estate update for 2025 because I know a lot of people are wondering what's happening in the market, especially with the wildfires in California. And it's a very devastating and sad to see how this fire has taken over so much of LA and Malibu and the Palisades and all of the other neighborhoods that have been affected. Guys, we have yet to really take into account the damage that has occurred. Also, homeowners insurance bailing out on buyers and sellers, homeowners. Like, this is something that has not only happened in LA or the state of California, it's happening in North Carolina, it's happening in Florida, you know, and as homeowners and potential homeowners, this is something that you want to pay attention to. You want to make sure that you revisit your homeowner's insurance policy and also do your research to find out if you are in a flood disaster or any type of natural disaster area, and figure out if you don't already have coverage, okay? I made a video about this. I think I talked about it on my live, so I'm a little late bringing it to you guys here on YouTube. But yeah, make sure that your homeowner's insurance is in order, Make sure you have all of the coverage that you need, because a lot of the people in California were finding out after the fact that their fire insurance had been dropped from their policy, guys. And honestly, I heard that that is something that these companies have been doing a lot. And they were canceling the policies like months before. But, you know, most people, their homeowners insurance is on auto pay. It's coming right from your mortgage. So a lot of people aren't even paying that directly. And I don't want people to think like the people of California were just slacking, because they were not. You cannot get homeowners insurance or different policy coverage if the companies are not providing it. It's not like the people in Cali were just trying to be, you know, irresponsible, because I've seen some people broadcast it that way, and that's really not what happened. What happened is the homeowners insurance decided to bail because, as we're finding out, they cannot afford to handle this travesty. So I don't want to get into the politics of it, but for those of you that are in other parts of the country, this is really a big wake-up call for us to pay attention to our homeowners insurance and make sure that the policy covers everything that you pay for and everything that you need based on where you live, okay? And I'm a realtor. You guys know that, right? When I work with my clients, I'm going to do my due diligence. The title company will do their due diligence to make sure that you have the proper coverage on your home. But as a purchaser and a homeowner, it is your job to know those intricate details about the property that you are purchasing or the property that you inherited. You know what I'm saying? Like, do your research. Don't depend on other people to tell you what you're supposed to know, okay? So, yeah, this video is more so to bring you guys up to speed that just because these fires and natural disasters are occurring, it's a wake-up call for the rest of us, okay? For the people of Cali, if you're watching this video or you know someone in Cali that you're going to send this video to, make sure you check out SBA.gov, okay? I made a video about it as well. SBA.gov, they are giving, they have a loan with a very low interest rate. It's a disaster relief loan. And apparently you will get access to up to $500,000 to use on rent or to rebuild or purchase a new property, okay? So go on SBA.gov. Do your due diligence, guys. Don't get scammed out here in these streets. Make sure that you are speaking to the SBA and not some scammer. I will put a link to the SBA.gov website with the disaster relief program link. Off the top of my head, guys, that is the one organization that I have heard of that is stepping in to help homeowners who have lost their homes and may not have the proper coverage, or to help you speed up the process, because the insurance companies that are operating in the disaster areas, not just LA, but in North Carolina and Florida, they are backlogged. So it may take some time to actually get a claim process. But of course, in the meantime, you need money so that you can begin to rebuild your life and take care of yourself and your family. So check out SBA.gov. Okay, guys. And as far as the real estate market goes right now, I am starting to see homes pop up more on the market. There is 5 million people nationwide that are in forbearance, or they are about to be in foreclosure. Okay, so the number of people that are not able to pay their mortgages is rising, guys. And That's something to pay attention to if you are a seller. If you are someone who needs to sell their home, you need to get the ball moving and not wait until it becomes spring and summer, because I promise you, if things continue to go the way that they are going, where people are struggling to pay their mortgages, struggling to pay their rents, because investors are going to feel this issue as well. If things continue to go the way that they're going, guys, we are going to see a lot more homes coming on the market, which for buyers is awesome, but for sellers, not so much. All right. That's going to cut into your equity. That is going to cut into it in a major way, because I don't think that sellers understand this, right? When you have more properties on the market than buyers, then buyers have more options. Your house as is no longer desirable to them, okay? So then you're gonna have to spend money on getting that house repaired. You're gonna have to spend money on, if the buyer needs you to give them a credit. It's so much more than just your equity that you lose that I don't think people really pay attention to, right? So I think that if you are someone that is very aware that you need to sell your house, you need to start moving on that now, okay? And for my buyers, interest rates are still up. Interest rates are at about 7% for a standard 30-year loan. I see that FHA has made a lot of new updates to the FHA loan, making it more accessible to people, also cutting down the different charges that they used to have. So that's something that you want to talk to a mortgage lender about. Ask them, what the best loan for you is. Is it going to be FHA, which is a government-backed loan, or a conventional loan, private-backed loan, or should you do a USDA loan, which is another loan, no money down? And for my military people, you guys are doing VA, no money down, and you guys also get relief on your taxes if you qualify for disability. So depending on your disability allotment or a percentage, I think anything above 75%, they are going to waive your taxes. Okay, so if you're a veteran, or if you know a veteran that's looking to buy a house, they haven't used their they haven't used their VA loan, let them know to start looking into that. And if they need to purchase the property, that they will have that, tax break being a veteran. All right, guys. So that's all I got for you today. Okay, stay inspired, stay uplifted. Don't let the chaos of the world keep you off track. Every day that the Lord allows us to wake up is a day for us to be blessed. Every day that you wake up in total health, mind, body, and soul, is a day that you should be thankful for, is a day that you should show gratitude by doing something great. All right, guys, until we meet again, bye.